femininity and affection, and now all of a sudden you're like, okay, wait a minute, I'm not lovable, and you're loving me, so obviously there's something wrong with you, so you're going to probably break up with me, so I'm going to break up with you before you break up with me. I'm not going to be in a relationship. I still see people going. Okay, so consider if you see that with the child, that's a flag and that's an opportunity to have a conversation, to have them get why they are lovable. Instead of figuring out what that story is. Does that make sense?
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.